Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling your iPhone's personal hotspot and confirming cellular service is active. This provides the watch an internet path without Wi-Fi. Make sure the watch is on its charger and both devices show at least 50% battery so the update can run. Once done, verify Bluetooth is on and the watch remains paired and near the iPhone. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go directly to General then Software Update to check for the available Watch OS. You tap Download and Install in the Watch app. The iPhone hotspot or the watch's cellular link will ferry the update package. This is why proximity and pairing matter. While the update downloads, keep both devices side by side and avoid heavy tasks or toggling Bluetooth or personal hotspot. Monitor the progress bar in the Watch app. If the download slows, pause other iPhone downloads and ensure cellular signal is stable. Make sure the watch stays on its charger. You begin the install when prompted and leave the watch on its charger. Installation can take 20 to 45 minutes depending on size. If the update stalls, restart the iPhone and force restart the watch by holding both side buttons until the Apple logo appears, then repeat the update. If it still fails, free up storage on the watch or unpair and repair it in the Watch app to reset the connection. This often clears corrupted update data and lets you start fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.